Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Start menu and typing Device Manager so Windows can locate the tool. This focuses the search. Once the entry appears, do not press Enter, because that launches without elevation. Instead, right-click the Device Manager result or click the small menu arrow and select Run as Administrator to request elevated permissions. This gives Device Manager full access to system devices. Make sure your account is an administrator or have admin credentials ready when prompted. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Windows + X to open the Power User menu. It's faster for power users. From there, click Device Manager. Sometimes the menu runs it elevated automatically. If not, use an elevated command prompt. To do that, type CMD in Start, choose Run as Administrator, then enter DevMoot. MSC and press Enter. This method forces Device Manager to run with admin rights. Use it when search context menus don't show elevation or when scripting the step. Finally, confirm the user account control prompt to allow administrative access. This is the security gate. Once Device Manager opens elevated, make sure to perform your tasks and close it when finished to avoid accidental changes. If Run as Administrator is missing, switch to an administrator account or enable the built-in admin temporarily. If Device Manager won't open or shows errors, restart Windows, check for corrupted system files, and update drivers. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.